some dreams, they don't have to be achieved for them to work, quote unquote. Why does God give you the ability to dream? Because in the pursuit of your dream, you become better, stronger. You grow personally. And here's the equation. When you pursue a big dream, when you work for a big dream, this is what happens. It's a win-win situation. Why win-win? Easy. If you work for a big dream and you don't achieve it, you grow personally. Or if you work for a dream and you achieve it, you enjoy the results of a fulfilled dream and you grow personally. You know, at the end of the day, the great prize, the great reward of pursuing a big dream is not that you fulfill the dream. No, the great prize is that you grow in your personal life. Think about it. When you fulfill one dream, you start looking for another dream. No, it's not the destination, it's the journey, it's the process, it's the building of your characters, the strengthening of your faith, it's the development of your skills.